My air is still on. I've turned it off. Oh. It's playing with me. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be a very interesting, a first for my channel. My experience with cosplay. Halloween has always been like a favorite holiday of mine, and I've always been really into costumes, and I normally cosplay as scary things or villains per se. I think the first costume I ever did, which was pretty crappily done, was a Silent Hill nurse. And then I have a huge affinity for zombies, and so I've done that so many years in a row. And I've been vampires before, and I love the Joker, and I've done the Heath Ledger Joker twice. But I have to say, besides me doing El Diablo a couple years ago, I've never really dressed up as a superhero. I'm sure if you've landed on this video, you're probably familiar with like Comic-Con and maybe possibly DragonCon, the Southeast version of basically like Comic-Con that's held in Atlanta on a Labor Day weekend. I have, I think, 2 vlogs on my channel. I've been to DragonCon. This year would be the 5th year. And so I made the decision back in February of this year that I was gonna actually cosplay as a superhero. And I've always loved Spider-Man. One of my best friends, he actually has played Spider-Man in the Marvel Universe live action show. And so when I saw Spider-Man Homecoming and I read some background information on that, I realized there was the Easter egg of Cindy Moon's character, who actually in the Amazing Spider-Man comics is almost like the female version of Spider-Man by the name of Silk. And so I did some more research on her, found out she was Korean, and I'm half Korean. So anyway, that was the reason why I decided to get this outfit from Herostime, and I'm gonna cosplay as it for DragonCon next week. But yes, this has basically controlled my whole year. Earlier this year, I had not really been very active, and because this bodysuit is very unforgiving, and just because I'm just so into costumes when I dress up as things, I actually have been on a pretty tight fitness plan for the last 7 months to be fit, because I just don't want to look cute in this outfit. I actually want to look strong, like I could kick your ass. But yeah, but just to give you an idea, this bodysuit, it retails for $75, and they have it available for both sexes and for kids. And the size that I went with was extra small. The extra small for women is made for women that are 4'11" to 5'1", and so that fits me perfectly. They offer 3 types of fits: standard, tight, and loose. I decided to go with tight. And then for $30 extra, you can upgrade it to thickened fabric. This is supposed to be thicker and stronger, just because I'm a pretty rough person and I tend to break things really easily. So I paid the extra $30 for the thicker, stronger fabric. And then I actually added on the built-in shoes in size 6.5 for myself, and that's an extra $25. So now my bodysuit has jumped from $75 to $135. And then if you want to add more customizations, that's an extra $5, so $140. And so my crotch zipper, the forearm zippers, and the calf zippers added on roughly an extra $23. So before shipping, my total now is $158. I have pretty large muscular calves, so that's why I opted for the calf zipper. And plus, I did do some previous research where someone I saw said the shoes are kind of difficult to put your feet into, and so I figured the calf zippers would make it a little bit easier. And then I know with the with the hands, you know, this is basically a huge onesie. And if I'm going to be cosplaying, I'm going to be doing normal things in this outfit, like using my phone, stuff like that. And so I felt like I need to have my hands free. And I've seen somewhere where people, they had the detachable hands, which were basically gloves. But then I also saw how they, I read a review from a reviewer that actually has forearm zippers. And she raved about them. And so I tend to lose things, and so I figured the forearm zipper would be the better option, so I went with that. And just because I did not want to risk not getting this on time, I opted for the expedited shipping, which the website explains that the processing time for this is roughly 3 to 5 business days. The expedited shipping is an extra $22, and it guarantees you'll have your item within 3 to 4 business days. I actually got this in 2 business days. I ordered this on the 9th. It was ready and shipped out on the 16th. And it actually was delivered to my house. The 16th was a Thursday. The following Monday, so 2 business days. So actually I got this thing 2 days early. But okay, I'm pretty sure I probably bored the F out of you guys talking about the ordering and the shipping process. So let me actually get to how this item arrives. They just ship it through UPS in one of these regular shipping bags. And then here's my suits. It's just in a simple Ziploc bag. It's a piece of paper that basically talks about when you review your suits, they give you a $5 credit, which I think is pretty cool. Did not know about that. And then I have this random sticker of a cosplayer. Jill Styler Cosplay, Overwatch. It's like a sticker. I will be honest, I don't know who she is, but she looks awesome. And then this is another sheet about the company. Had no idea that they offer this. Special membership discounts. They have hot sales the 20th of each month, so there you go, you guys. We kind of need if they would have advertised that on their site before, but I can see the point. They would want you to order first and then reveal the fact that there are ways to save. And then my outfit is inside this packaging. So I am going to get to the part that I think you guys are probably the most interested in. Me trying this on. Just to show you the details. This is the forearm zippers, which I'm very glad to have. I mean, this does feel thicker, but it kind of feels like a little fragile at the same time. What to add is, of course, this is extremely, besides being extremely tight, but see-through, and so I am definitely going to have to look up advice for wearing these types of bodysuits as to the type of undergarments I need to wear. Because you can totally see I'm wearing like line-free underwear, but you could totally see the lines. I really don't know how I'm going to film this, but it's to show you that the crotch zipper for females, and you can kind of see my underwear there, it actually goes all the way to the back. And something else that I would like to add that kind of, you know, I don't regret having the forearm zippers that I actually could work my phone still. Okay, I just unlocked my phone. But yeah, I can totally work my touchscreen still, so. And then here I am with it on, which this thing is extremely tight. Pretty snug in my ears, which is not bothering me or anything. But I can see myself really only having this on for like picture opportunities, but not 24/7. Alright, you guys, I'm done with the posing. We are going to see what happens once DragonCon comes and I'm actually wearing this for like a prolonged period. DragonCon is over Labor Day weekend, so September 4th. So if you're curious to find out how this holds up, you should check the description because I'll go back and add final thoughts. And then eventually, within a couple of weeks, probably by the end of September, that vlog will be uploaded. And if anything catastrophic happens during that weekend, I'm sure I'll vlog about it. So if you've lasted this long with this unboxing slash company first impression try on review, then thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day. You'll see me again hopefully very soon.